name is Cliff. I'm from America, and I'm an English teacher at a kindergarten. The problem was that I wasn't studying very much. You're a what we call a slave driver, and which is good motivation. It's there's a lot of times I don't want to study, but you hold me accountable to studying, so that's good. So I didn't study much. Constructing sentences and using the right words in the right context. Problems before this, sometimes I have pronunciation problems, and sometimes I had one Chinese person said that my accent sounds like I'm from the north of China. So, but I think I have some. I knew I had some pronunciation issues, so that was a problem. Well, I understand a lot more about the grammar and some of the proper ways to say things, as well as some homework items that I can practice in order to improve my speech. You said the right things at the right time, and I thought that was very commendable. I think I like most two pieces. I like how you frame everything and have everything laid out in an easy way to understand, and then you worked with me on exactly those things in a couple of the lessons, and I can really see how it's a good format, and I thought it really helped me. It seems like you put together a good program, whereas all the other teachers that I have encountered simply take an HSK book out and start going through the pages of the HSK book. I think that's the most distinctive thing. You guys, it seems like you've actually put a lot of time and a lot of work into the way you have a curriculum set up. I can see everything you put into it. Well, I mean, yeah, if I come across some of my colleagues or anybody that I know that is wanting to learn Chinese, I would definitely recommend you. Why? Because I think strictly because of what I previously said. Everything that I said about what I can see and how you've developed everything, how you've got everything formatted and laid out, and everything flows, and everything correlates. It does seem like a really good system. And I think that I can tell you're at the beginning, but I think what you put together really is actually really good. And that's coming from a perspective of a teacher who I don't teach by any type of curriculum. I don't teach by I don't believe in algorithms. I believe teaching has to be holistic. Think that you're kind, compassionate, and you're pretty. I think those are all a great package. Personal note, I really appreciate that really just hard kick in the butt that you gave me. But I had to be humble enough to say, wow, okay, I created that, and why did I create it? Well, I needed it, obviously. So I just want you to know I appreciate that. I don't know about you, but I believe in it's a philosophy of 100% responsibility. No matter what happens or where it happens or what happens, it doesn't matter. The only person I can blame for creating that experience is me.